Alrighty folks, as mentioned before, Ella Michelle and I are taking off. It's about 10 after 5. The park is turning into a flood zone. Yeah, we should get our floaties and water wings and go swimming. Well, did you have fun while it lasted? Before the crazy rain?
Before it rained.
Yeah, it was great, huh? Even our bull ride in the rain was alright. Could have been, well yeah, it was cold. Could have been worse, but the radar shows nothing getting better, not even a chance. So, good luck to our friends who are staying here, huh?
You should go to your car.
Yeah.
Here and pick up me.
Yeah, come pick you up here.
Drive me to my car.
Yeah. I told you I should have done that last night. Park close and drive you way to the back lot, but let's just sit in the rain. I don't know either. But yeah, so I think we got on like 8 rides or so. It wasn't too bad for that. Sorry to the Scare family that we won't be sticking around to see however that goes tonight, but hey, we got ourselves to look out for. And now Michelle's wet feet and the shoes. And you got the longer drive than I do. You'll be driving up with the rain. I'll be driving home into it more. So I think it's going to suck for both of us, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Well, hey, sometimes it happens. Sucks because there's only one more weekend left and we've only got one more trip coming, but either way, you gotta understand. It is what it is. What on? Yeah, nice Malibu. It's crazy. So oops, let them go. Thank you. I don't. We're a couple things past the guard tower, but yeah. So like, we rode the dark night and we were gonna get out, and I'm like, hey, we still got a snack and dinner, and we weren't staying for either of those, so grabbed some of those plantain chips. You may see the dried banana chips. We'll let you know in the description or comments, whatever, how it is, how they are, because we're just taking those for the road. Gonna take my baby to Portillo's now because she loves a good Italian beef, huh? Yeah, dipped with sweet peppers. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, I'm a dip in Italian beef. Okay, we're gonna have to go a different way here because that's like a whirlpool of flooding. This sucks. We'll see you soon. Jiggity out.